Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Life of Anubondem. If you are a new subscriber, I am super grateful, and to all my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do, so that whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. And the subscription button is the red button. So I have been getting questions on what I use to record my videos. Today I'm just gonna let you know the equipment I use for my YouTube videos. The first equipment I use is my phone. I use an S9 phone, but I don't have a camera, so I use my phone to record all my videos. The second equipment I use is my tripod. I got this tripod from Amazon. I'm gonna put a link below for those of you who are interested, so you can get one too. I love this tripod so much. I use it to support my phone, and it is very portable, and it also extends. It can be longer than that. Yeah, so I was trying to use my phone to record this, so that's why you see me trying to pull it so that I can show you how long it is. Bravo. Portable. Third equipment I use to record my videos is a ring light. So I got a ring light. I think it was like 20 something bucks. I cannot remember the exact cost, but I do have a ring light, so I use a ring light to record my videos, even though sometimes I just use natural lighting. Then most of the times I use a ring light. This is the ring light I use, and that's my phone. If you take a close look at it, you see my phone. And yep. And you can see that's my phone. I use a website called Canva. I'm going to put the link below on the description box. So I use Canva to create my thumbnails, if I want to create like any Instagram posts and so on, but I mainly use it to create my thumbnails. Oh, I also use it to make my intro and outro. So for the music I use on my videos, I use the free music on YouTube Studio. If you have created a YouTube account, I'm going to show you where you can find the free music on YouTube Studio. When you create a YouTube account, in your YouTube Studio on the left hand side, you will see an audio library, and you have to click on it, and you see a couple of musics. Sorry guys, this is not the best video, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So let's listen to one or two musics. The next thing I use is my mic. Dang dang. So I think this is the Lavalier mic. I'm going to put the link too. Don't need so much in order to start a YouTube. I use Filmora 9 to edit my videos. I'm going to put a link on the description box if you are interested. Channel. So I've spoken about the mic, Canva, the tripod. I've spoken about the ring light, and what else? And the phone. Is there anything I haven't mentioned that you use as a YouTuber? Please let me know on the comment section. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.